got a new board system task form 72, so let's go ahead and get started. For our first notification, lines to be system sensor CHSRL. This device will be doing code 3 and is set on 95 candela. Now, on for our first change. Now, you guys probably noticed where'd the smoke detector go? Well, let's just go up a little bit. I did add some nice conduit. It goes up and up and up, then bends to a system sensor 4WB smoke detector. I finally added a smoke detector mounted pretty much on the ceiling. Well, not all the way, because the ceiling is all the way up there where the white is. But I did add a new smoke detector right here. It's a system sensor 4WB. I figured that I wanted something like this above the panel so that, you know, it looks a little bit more realistic, because when it was mounted like just right here, it technically wasn't on the ceiling, and, you know, it didn't look right. Now, people may be asking, are you going to be doing the same thing with the MS4424B? I will not be, mainly because I'm going to still be using other Kita hardwired and battery smoke detectors. Eventually, when I do get a bunch of newer smoke detectors which I can wire into the panel, eventually I will go ahead and I will make another one of these and hook it onto the MS4424B system. But for right now, the MS5ED system will have this. But like I said, it looks nice. I'm really happy that this is installed. I know that it kind of looks redundant, that there's all that blue behind me on the wall. That's just the way it is. It's going to have to be the way it is for right now. I don't plan on painting it because I just painted it like 2 years ago. So, but yeah, so it's really nice, and I really look forward to doing some tests with this detector now up there. For our second notification, appliance to be system sensor Spectraler Classic P241575. This device is set on fixed 1575 candela and will be doing strobe only. Typically this thing is a horn strobe, but I did disable the horn. I removed the jumpers, and now it's only doing strobe only. So that will just will be how it is for this test. We still have the Simplex 2098 986 test switch. For our pull stations, we have 2 pull stations. On the left, we have a Silent Night PS SATK, and on the right, we have a Firelight BG12L. You may notice something. In the middle of the 2 pull stations, I do have conduit. The pull station for Zone 2 is wired through the back box of Zone 1, which is the Silent Night pull station. This is just to make this cleaner. I used to have all my wire coming out of over here, and it looked ridiculous. It went behind the board. I have a stud back there holding up the board, so I figured to make it a lot nicer, I did add conduit, so that's no longer there. You may also notice that I did add some wood right here. This is so that you don't have to see the background of the blue right there. You may see some of it sometimes, but that's just to remove the old background and to make it look a little bit nicer. So yeah, we will be testing the duct detector in today's test. I also want to mention something about the duct detector. You may notice that I did change some stuff around. Obviously, I did rewire this. I rewired everything on the system. Wire used to run through here and then go to the back of the key switch. It's all running directly up to the key switch today. I'm hoping in the next couple weeks to hopefully change this around and hopefully do more conduit. I'm thinking about using these 2 conduit holes I have right here and then running the wire down. Unfortunately, when I was installing this, I did not have the correct back box, so I was kind of in a rush to get this filmed. So I know it kind of looks, you know, it isn't really up to code or doesn't look the best, but I'm hoping to fix that really soon. But yeah, in the next couple weeks, hopefully you can expect me to be fixing that. Alright, to start off today's test, I'm going to pull this on my pull station. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. and the alarm is silenced. For our next test today, I'm going to activate the new smoke detectors. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to just spray some smoke, and it should set it off. Should go off any second now. Like I said, it looks a lot better up on the ceiling than it did on the wall. Maybe a little bit more. There we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my key. I'm going to turn it. I'm going to flip the handle back up. I'm going to lock it back up. There we go. And now I'm going to go into the main phone control panel. And I'm going to hit system reset. Long story short, I was just about to film the next segment and the smoke detector kept reactivating, so I did end up disabling the smoke detector just for right now. I will now go ahead and activate the duct detector, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my key. I'm going to turn to sensor 1, and here we go. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the duct detector, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to click the button, remove the key, and now I'm going to go into the main phone control panel. And I'm going to hit system reset. Alright, to finish off today's test, I'm going to pull the Firelight BG12L. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And the alarm is silenced. I will now go ahead and reset the pull station, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to insert my key. I'm going to turn it. As you can see, the handle automatically comes back up. There's the inside right there. I'm going to close back up, lock it back up. And now I'm going to go into the main phone control panel. And I'm going to hit system reset. Alright guys, I thank you for watching this video, and I want to say I'm really happy with the new changes. Please tell me in the comment section below what you think I could improve or what you think you really like about the new system. But anyways, Thanks for watching and have a nice day.